I'm introducing myself. I'm Marius, a journalist from France, and I came here not only as a journalist but as an internationalist who feel, solidarity, personal solidarity with Rojava, and it's been years that I read about Rojava, that I wanted to support the revolution in all manners that I could have, and we came here as 30 people as the international working brigade to show our solidarity. The first purpose was to go to Rojava to learn how the revolution is concretely practiced in Rojava, and also to help in the cooperative agriculture in Rojava for 1 month. It was our main purpose, but unfortunately we were rejected at the border, so we came to Sully and to stay a few weeks to see what can we do. As for example, came here in this house to talk with the representative of Rojava here in Sully, to build a friendship between countries, because personally we are all revolted by the Turkish attack, and also we are revolted by the position of our states in Europe, the positions of complicity with the Turkish state, and we want to build an international friendship with Rojava by with people, not by states, because they are complice with the Turkish state, but with people and with all the organization we have in France, to tell them about the Rojava revolution, tell them what we can do